Hello friends, welcome to the Tech with Soft. So as the previous, I can say example, we were looking Java 8 features, right? We have covered some definition of terminal operation, intermediate operation, right? We have seen, kind of some methods of terminal operation, some method of intermediate operation. What is the Java 8? Why do we use it, right? Some advantage of Java 8, right? And we started streams as well, right? What is the streams? Why do we use? So I have given a definition for them, right? So today what we are going to cover some other methods as well, like we have seen filter on that day, right? How filter work with strings, like that. You can see that that was a list we have, right? And that we were counting like how many is empty string, how many is a number of strings we have, right? Empty, non-empty with a specific length that should be having a 3 lengths or 5 lengths, that we have seen by two-way, right? With the custom approach, or with the custom is with the Java 1.7 approach, and we have seen one like that was a Java 8 approach. So let's continue the same. So now I'm creating a new method. Okay, not new method, like creating a new list. Okay, so here we created this list of strings, right? Now today we are going to create list of integer. So I will create a one more class that should be test1. Okay, and let me create a one main method here. Shortcut main, you can type the main and just take control space, you will get it. Now I'm creating a one, say like list of integers here. Okay, so let me import the package of it. So I created a one integer list which is having some integer number. Okay, now what is the requirement I have? So understand how do you get the questions, and then you have to implement it accordingly, right? So what is my question here? I need to find square of every number. Square of every number. What does it mean? Like for example, here we have a like one list which are having like multiple elements. Now I need to display that should square of every element, right? Square means one should display one of the square, right? And then two will display two of the square, right? One should display again one of the square, right? So what should be that we do here? And then you have to do using Java 8 approach only, using Java 8, right? We will having like different way as well, that we were doing the traditional way, but here we are going to cover using the Java 8 style, right? So we have a list of integers. Now what I need to do, I need to find that square of every numbers using the Java 8 approach, right? How can we do it? So we have a like integers here, that is a reference. So first we have to convert it into streams. So we have a stream, right? After that, what I will do here, do I have to use filter? That we have to think. What is the question here? I need to find square of every number. I don't want to be remove something from them, right? If you want to remove something from the array, then only filter is required. So right now I don't want to be remove any one of them. I want only that square of every number. So filter is not required, right? Then what does it take? It will take map only. So map is what? Map is a one predefined method of the streams, right? What does it take? It will take one functional interface as a parameter. What is the name of the functional interface? Which is function only, right? So what map does take? Map does take function as an parameter, right? As an parameter. And we know that it is a predefined function interface. If you can look at my first lecture, right, of the Java 8, first or second, I'm not sure. You can go through with the series. Okay, there I explained that predefined function interface. On that function was one of them, right? So does it will take function interface as a parameter. So it is having a one method, right? What is the method name? Let me open this function first. So this function having a one method, right? What is the method name? Apply. What does it take? It will take one parameter that could be any type and one return value. So R is representing as return value, T is representing as a parameter here, right? So what I will do here, I will go to this code, and I will use your map. So functional interface will always implement using the lambda expression, right? So lambda expression is implementation of functional interface. So I will write the lambda expression for that. So what I will write here, let's say we have integers, right? So let me take your number, arrow, number multiply by number, simple. Then what I will do, I have to collect it, right? And we have to convert into list itself. Collectors dot to list. Collectors dot to list. Okay. So what it is happening here? First, we have a arrays, right? So we are converting into a stream. A stream having a method. What is the method name? Map. What map is doing? It is taking one number. So suppose first it is taking 1 multiply by 1. So this number will retrieve that like sequence wise number from this list, and then it is multiplying to them. 1 multiply 1, 2 multiply 2, 1 multiply 1, right? Then it is calculating the square, and then it is converting into a list itself. So I can write here again the list, right? Type of integer. That could be a result. Right. So here we have integer streams dot map numbers, number multiply by number, and then collecting to the list. The same list I can display over the console. So what I will do here, I will write system dot out dot println, and I will display here result. Okay. So what is happening here? We have a numbers and calculating the score of every number. Let me run this. You can see you are getting a score of every number. What is the number we have? 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 1. Like that you will get it. Right? So that is the way we have to think on it. This time I am not using any filter because filter is not required. Right? Now again my question will change. Right? I need to find the score of every number. Not a score of every number. I need to find a score of what? Even number. I need to find the square of even number. Right? Now my requirement change. Now what it is saying that I need to only calculate the square of only those number which is even. Right? Then what happened, right? All number I no need to, because here there is a combination of even and odd number, right? Combination of even and odd, but we want only, what is the problem here? Okay, we want this score of only the even number, or the odd number. It could be any scenario, right? So how could we do that? That is also looking the same only, integers dot stream dot filter. Here filter is required. Then filter, what does it do? Here it will calculate the mod actually, right? So what I will do here, I will write x arrow if x mod 2 double equal to 0. So we know that x mod 2 double equal to 0 means what? That means it is saying that x will calculate the number from like 1 mod 2 double equal to 0. No, it will display the remainder only, right? So remainder will be what here? In case of 1 it could be 1, in case of 2 it will be 0, in case of 1 2, 13 1. So that it will calculate that even or odd, right? Then we have to use map also, which will calculate the square actually. So map, here I will write what? Say in, okay, in multiply by in dot collect, collectors dot to list, collectors dot to list. That's it. So what is happening here? It is calculating the, first we are converting into a string, then we are calculating filter. What we are doing here, we are calculating the number is even or odd. So if it is number even, so it is calculating the even. So I know that filter and map, that is the interview questions. What are the difference between filter and map? So filter does take what? Filter does take predicates as a parameter, where function, a map does take function as a parameter. So that is the difference actually, both of them. So it will always return the boolean value and it will return the complete result, look like that. Okay, in multiply in. So that means it will calculate the multiplication of both, and then it is converting into a list, right? So what does it return? It will give me a list. So this is the terminal operation which is giving you a final result, right? Till tell that it is a streams only, but the streams we cannot be displayed directly, right? Streams cannot be displayed directly. Stream can be displayed through the collection only. So that's why we will convert into a list here, list of integer. So here we are using combination of intermediate and terminal operation. So this filter and map, these are the terminal operation, where collect is a, filter and map are the intermediate operation and collect is a terminal operation, right? Now let me display here system.out.println, and I will display here result1, right? Result1. So if I will run this code now, you can see here, first it is giving me sum of even numbers only, right? So we have 4. First it does even how many even we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I'm getting the 4 square here. Rest I'm not getting. So that way we can use filter and map both together, right? Now here we have a list, right? Now I want to use only the distinct number. I mean, because here we have a duplicates, right? One is repeating twice, right? Or let me possibility here like 13 is repeating twice, something like that. Then how will you find this repeated number, right? So for them I will use here one more thing. What is that? Distinct, right? So let me do this in the second line. So we have one more method that could be suppose say like result2, and here we will use filter dot map dot distinct, okay, character dot toList. Let me display the result2 also here. That could be copy this one and let me write a result. So first it will display result2, right? So I don't want to filter them, I don't want to map them. Let's see, first distinct only. I have a duplicate record, right? I want the unique number of them, right? So here 1 is repeating, 13 is repeating. Later on we can see how can we perform some operation over there. Let me run this now. So you can see here, first I'm getting only 1, 2, 1, that one removed, right? 1 is giving 1 only. 13 is giving how many times? 2 times. I'm getting only 1 time. So that way distinct is used to remove the duplicate values. If you have duplicate values, if someone will ask how will you do it, because list can store the duplicates value, right? How will you do it? That is doing by the distinct only. So distinct is again intermediate operations, right? Now here if you want, suppose I want to distinct and then I want to filter it, that should be calculate the even numbers, right? So here I will write filter. I will use this condition here, filter and map both I can use. Okay, this time what happened? First it will calculate the distinct number, which is a distinct. Then on the distinct number it will apply the filters, whichever is even on it. Then it will apply the map on it, and then it will give me a collect result in the result2. So this time it will performing the same, right? Let's say here it is going to calculate suppose odd, sum of odd, right? So here we are giving not equal to 0. So it is displaying sum of odd number, here it is displaying sum of even number. So result2 having a sum of odd number, result1 is having a sum of even number. But here duplicate is also applicable. You can see I am not using distinct here, right? But here I am using distinct like that. So if I will run this code, let's see. So I can see here I'm getting the odd. So what was first is odd 1, so I'm getting 1. Then I'm not getting repeated 1, right? And 2 here. 2 is not a even, right? 13 giving 1 only, right? So that way it will calculate. So you can understand here we have seen filter, we have seen map, we have seen distinct is not taking anything as a parameter, right? And then collect is also displaying the result like that. So these are the collect is a terminal operation here, and filter, distinct, map is a intermediate operation here. So that is all about kind of primitive. You can do a number of examples here, right? Now we are looking at one more example where I will start directly from the objects. So that is about this video about objects. I will start the new I can say like a video for that, new recording for it, Yeah, so if you like the video guys, please subscribe it, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.